In this video, we are going to see about the data type union in C. So, union and structure declarations are similar, but there is a difference. Instead of using the keyword struct, we'll be using the keyword union. Then one more major difference is union that where members inside the union will share the locations, whereas the struct will not share. Each individual members have their own memory address, whereas in union, whichever has the memory allocated for a union is whichever member has highest storage, that will be the memory allocated for it. And when you have 2 or 3 members inside a union, when you allocate one variable, one value for one member, then again when you allocate another value for the next member, it will overwrite the previous one. That means they share the same memory. So at a time you can't write values for all the members. That's what. So structures allocate enough space to store all their members, whereas union can only hold one member value at a time. So for example, name and price means it can have value only for name. When you allocate value for price, it will be overwritten because they share the same space. So it will be overwritten in the name. So it allows overlay of more than one variable in the same memory area. So how you declare a union? So you have to use the keyword union, then followed by a name for this structure. There is this union structure. Then we have declared 2 member variables inside the union. One is name array, okay, character array. Then another one is price, integer array. Sorry, it's not an array, it is an integer data type. Then see here, after declaring this declaration is what here. Then we have opened a main program where we have how to declare the variable for union by using the keyword again union, then this union name here. Then you can use car1, car2, car3. This is a pointer. So car1, by using car1 dot car2, how you can access members? car1 dot name, car1 dot price. Same way car2 dot name, car2 dot price, like that. So 2 variables which are of type union car has been declared here. If you take another declaration, this is one type of declaring within the main program. Another one is here itself, before the semicolon. You can declare it like car1, car2, etc. Like this also you can declare. Then let us take an example and show the difference between the union and the structure. Let us take this example. Union job. Name has been given as union job for this union structure, union data type. Then we are defining the values, numbers inside the union as character name of 32, float salary, into number, and ujob. The same members we are declaring here also, but the thing is, we are declaring it as structure. So struct job. Then we have given a variable for this structure as well as ujob is for this union data type. Now in the main program, what we print is size of the ujob. We would like to know what is the difference. So for that, we have given, we have used the function size of, and then we pass this variable name. Okay, so when you execute this, you will get this answer. Size of union is 32 and size of structure is 40. You know what? Why it is the different? Because same members, but still when you display their size, it is giving difference. That is because here in union, if you see, this is a maximum. See, why it is maximum? Because this is some 32 bytes, whereas salary is some 4 bytes. Float is 4 bytes, and work number, this is an integer, that is also 4 bytes. So put together, when you add 32 plus 4 plus 4, 40. Here, so that's what structure is giving the 40. Whereas here, which is a maximum, this is 4 bytes, this is 4 bytes, it is 32 bytes. So this is a maximum. So that is what taken as the size of this. So whichever data type is declared maximum, that value it will take it as a maximum. And all the other variables will occupy the same space. Whereas here it is not like that. What is some separate 32 bytes are allocated, for this separate 44 bytes, and for this separate 4 bytes are allocated. That's what I explained here. Size of his job is 40 bytes because of this. Name is 32, salary is 4, and work number. However, the size of new job is 32 bytes. It is because the size of a union variable will always be the size of its largest element. In the above example, the size of the largest element is name 32. So that is why it is a 32 bytes. With the union, all numbers share the same memory. Now we'll see how they share. As an for that, we have written an example. Union job, 2 members are defined, salary and work number. Now, and it is given a variable name as J. So J is of type union job. Now, in the main program, we allocate values for this member, union members. So J dot, this only you will call J dot salary. For this first, we allocate 12.3. Then J dot what can move? It is 100 we have given. Now salary, when you print the salary, what happened? It is printed as 0. It will not give us 12.3 because the same space the work number has occupied. So number of workers it is given as 100. That is the latest assignment. That will be as why it is latest, because the previous will be overwritten. That's why it shares the memory. The same program has been written here. So, see, size of unit 32 and size of structure is 40 bytes.